Just a quick little update for everyone following the build. As you can see, the engine bay is painted. Excuse the mess in here. It's not too bad. The orange peel on the bulkhead when my pressure dropped. Apart from that, it's not too bad. A few little fish eyes and stuff, but as you can see down there, a few there, a little bit of orange peel there as well. But for an engine bay, it's not too bad. You're not going to see most of the bits anyway. This engine bay is going to be pretty full by the time everything's in. So that'll do for me. Body prep's coming on. Inside's painted. I didn't put a lot of effort into painting the inside because you're not going to see it, and I haven't got time, money or resources to waste on getting it perfect when you're never going to see it. It's all one colour. I'm happy with that. So she's coming on slowly. It's looking like now it might be taking a shell once it's rolling, possibly driving, to Damien to get painted. So I want a really good finish, and with the setup I got, I don't think I can get that finish, unfortunately. So we'll see how it goes. That one. Just a quick update for everyone wanting to see. I'm wondering how she's coming on. Painting the underside of the floor was fun. I got absolutely covered in paint. That was a right mess. Start checking some bits on it soon. Try and get all the wiring working. Should be fun. There's a lot of cut wires. Luckily I've got a spare loom I can use if need be. Just a quick update. If anyone wants to see any bits of the car, just comment, send me a message, whatever, and I can show you. Or any questions of what parts are going on it and stuff like that, just ask away. Yeah, it's not a gas bottle, by the way. Well, it was. It's now an air tank to boost my little compressor. My dad's little compressor. So that's all I got. Does the job. Like I said, I won't get an amazing finish on that setup. No way. So any questions, let me know. I'll keep you guys updated.